So, are you totally exhausted by the grueling, emotional grind of manual online trading? You know the feeling, right? Staring at charts until your eyes literally cross, second guessing every single tiny market movement, and letting fear or greed completely hijack your financial decisions. Honestly, it's exhausting. But what if you could just offload all that heavy psychological burden to a system built purely on logic? Well, today, we're exploring a tool designed to do exactly that. Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. We're looking at the Move 50M robot. This is an automated trading software developed by GrowRich Online Trading. If you've been searching for a way to strip chaotic human emotion right out of your strategy, we're going to break down exactly how this tool works, the mechanics behind it, and what it costs to integrate into your setup. Section 1. Meet the Move 50M robot. So what is this thing really? At its core, the Move 50M robot is a highly specialized algorithmic system that's meticulously programmed to fully automate your manual trading. We're talking about automating the entire process, strategy execution, opening and closing trades, and setting really precise take-profit and stop-loss levels. The architect behind all of this is Abintori Gislan. He's an economist, a data analyst, and the CEO of GrowRich. And his ultimate goal here? To codify strict risk management and completely eliminate those costly trading psychology errors we all make. And this brilliantly illustrates the real value proposition we're talking about. Think about the standard manual trading grind for a second. It requires constant monitoring, you're constantly vulnerable to emotional decisions, and your risk management is manual, meaning it's flawed. Now contrast that chaotic human element with automated trading. The robot steps in with impenetrable algorithmic risk management, automated take profit and stop loss, and absolutely zero emotional errors. It literally replaces panic and guesswork with cold, hard, rules-based logic. Section 2. Markets and Mechanics. Now, crucially, this robot isn't just boxed into one rigid little corner of the market. It's actually programmed with the flexibility to handle major heavyweight currency pairs. Think Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. But if you prefer tangible assets, it also trades commodities like gold, silver, and oil. And yes, it even navigates the incredibly volatile crypto space as it's specifically configured for Bitcoin. So it covers a lot of ground. Section 3. The reality. No magic. The robot is not magic or a money-printing machine. End quote. I absolutely love that GrowRich Online Trading is so explicit about this. In an industry that is frankly flooded with sensationalized, too-good-to-be-true promises, this is just incredibly grounded. The software simply executes the fundamental principles of profitable trading based entirely on real-time market data. It doesn't predict the future, you guys. It just reacts systematically to the present. Now, what's really interesting here is the number 6. Why? Well, because the logic programmed into this system isn't just some arbitrary code pulled off the internet. It was actually developed utilizing 6 full years of the creator's personal, hands-on experience in the online trading market. It respects proper capital management and proven trading skills. It basically just executes those hard-won lessons faster and without any hesitation. Section 4. Pricing and Support. So let's talk numbers. When we objectively look at the pre-order pricing tiers, you've basically got 2 main options. You can opt for a standard 1-year subscription at $120, which is roughly 175,800 Rwandan francs. Alternatively, lifetime access is available for $350, or about 512,750 RWF. The developers do mention that other custom subscription periods are negotiable too. But a really huge benefit of that lifetime tier is that you get future updates. GrowRich continuously updates the robot, ensuring it adapts to shifting market conditions over time. Getting everything set up is a really straightforward 3-step process. Step 1, obviously, is purchasing the Move 50M robot, but Step 2 is where the developer's philosophy really shines through. Immediately after you purchase, you receive 1 full week of mandatory training and guidance on responsible use. This just proves that proper capital management and real trading skills still matter. You need to know how to actually wield the tool. Finally, Step 3 drops you into a robust 1-month money-back guarantee period so you can test its real-world performance for yourself. If you're wanting to dig a bit deeper into the algorithmic parameters, or maybe negotiate one of those custom subscriptions we talked about, you can reach out directly to the developer. Send an email over to growrichinlinetrading@gmail.com, or you can give them a call or message at +250 789 777 396. Which brings us to a really critical question I want to leave you with today. Is automating your strategy the final key to mastering trading, or is it actually just the very first step in a completely new learning curve? A robot like the Move 50M can definitely eliminate those pesky emotional errors, for sure, but it still requires responsible guidance and a really firm grasp of market fundamentals. So take some time to think deeply about how automated tools like this might fit into your own larger trading journey. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep learning.